Hi my beautiful friends, so today I'm having a late night trip to Home Depot and well, I've come to see if there are any outdoor ornaments or inflatables. So we've got Santa there. Oh, look at this beautiful reindeer. Oh, I love the ears. Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they? $99. And there looks like there could be a fair bit, so let me take you around and let's see what they have. So $7.98 for these beautiful huge baubles, and I like the shape of those, they're unusual. Different colours here. These are good as well, so not a bad price. Pine cones, which I can really smell. I can smell a cinnamony smell. And there's a bundle of, it's from Bindle and Brass. Yeah, I can really smell cinnamon now. Ah, classic cinnamon broom. That's probably where the smell's coming from. And that's $13. And here, just like my Walmart video, there are lots and lots of trees. So let me take you around and let's take a look at the trees, shall we? We'll start off with this one. This is beautiful, this pre-lit tree, and that is 60. No, it's not. Hang on. 7'5" twinkling LED elegant grand fir with timer. Now that's useful, isn't it? $399. That one. And we've got snowmen over here. So this 8-foot Yuletide lane. Giant size LED snowmen, $179, $89.98 for a snowman and his dog. That's cute. And an Olaf there for $149. You've got $69.98 for the cute dog, and that one is a 3-foot Yuletide lane LED golden retriever. And I do like these parcels. They're pretty, aren't they? And they're $70. And you can see Polar Wishes LED deer up the top. I'll just zoom in on those, and they're $100. And I'll just swing round so that I can give you the overview. So there are a few trees on the other side there, and some huge inflatables. Let's zoom in on those so you can see those different types there. And I'll just take a look around this corner here and let's see what we have. So we've got more snowmen, 6-foot LED candy cane lane snowmen, and they're $50. Giant jumbo inflatable ornaments, and they're $50 as well. And 100-pack commercial grade lights there, and they are $10. That's not a bad price really. And oh, look at this beautiful tree here. I'll just zoom out and we can stand back, but it will go from all white to coloured. That is beautiful, isn't it? I'd like to guess how tall that is, but I'm sure we'll find out. So that's 9 foot. That's a noble fir, and that's $500. And we've got some cute penguins here. Let's give them a little blast. Oh, it's just the lights that come on there. And I've just spotted Olaf. So let's give him a little try. Ah.
Oh, don't touch it.
So he is 150. And let's look at Santa. He's beautiful. Let's swing round. Oh, I can show you the ones at the top there. Let's zoom in on those. Oh, they are beautiful, aren't they? Oh, if you can see in the back there, maybe can't quite see, but there's reindeer and Santa on his sleigh there. Huge snowman, the Grinch, and there's a minion there with Santa as well at the end. And they all light up.
Hey, we were just talking about you. All good things, all good things. Hands down, this is the best day of my life.
So we've got all the guys and girls putting out all the stock here. They really are going into Christmas in a big way, and I don't think they want to miss anything really. But here's all the lighting section, and you can see the different lights that you can use to decorate your homes. And here we have a 14-piece shatter-resistant ornament set. And I'll just zoom in there because there are some beautiful ones in this set. I like the skis and the little red truck. And we have the Home Depot 2025 lighted store. So that is $20. And I've been looking for this. So this is has a velvet plush fillet and velvet ribbon, and that is 75 foot. Wonder how much that is. It looks like it's just been put back there, so I don't know how much that is, but I'm going to hang on to it and try and find out the price really. So we've got for $25, just put that under my arm, we've got shatterproof silver 48-piece baubles there, they're 25, and little Christmas trees there made of tinsel, candy canes made of tinsel, snowmen with Christmas trees, they're all made of tinsel, yeah, tinsel snowman. And they have more baubles here, different colours. Oh, and I just found a little Minnie Mouse. Well, I say little, she's 3'5" and she's an inflatable. She lights up and she is $45. Minions, Olaf, these are all $45. We've got a pirate there, a Bluey, and a Grinch with Max. I do like the Grinch. He's a lot of fun, isn't he? And he is 6 foot tall. And I found Mickey Mouse. Let's give him a try.
Oh, gee, isn't Christmas just the greatest time of the year? The twinkling lights, the snowy nights, and best of all, celebrating with friends and family. It's a time for giving, sharing memories, and making new ones too. Yup, that's the spirit.
Oh wow, he's delightful, and here's $200. Let me know in the comments below if you like this Mickey, and if you would buy it maybe for your porch or for your front lawn, or even for indoors. I'm not sure. I put that one out on my front lawn. So more turtles along here for $40, and this balsam fir flock tree is $400, and it's a 7.5 foot twinkling Grand Duchess. So it is beautiful. Actually, I really like this because it's quite sparse and it has lots of firs or branches that come out so that you can hang lower hanging sort of sorry, there's lots of people moving behind me. Yes, so lower hanging ornaments. Oh, and Mickey's off again. Oh, look at this snowy Christmas tree. It's so well flocked and it glistens as well. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but that is beautiful. That is $550, but well, it's 9 foot and it says it's twinkling adaptive lighting. So, and that's a Fraser fir flock, and I can't, perhaps it's just the twinkling on the actual branches. I'm not sure that I can see that it's pre-lit. I don't think that it is, but you can always add your own light in there. Oh, hang on, fully customizable, can't speak tonight, fully customizable lighting, and it's got over 8 preset color options, so that is really quite something, isn't it? And this one, just if I step back, that is really pretty, isn't it? With the pinky purple lights at $350 at 7.5 foot. So I'll just come back and you can see all the varieties, and my eye is always drawn to this one. And this one has blue lighting, and that's 7.5 foot, $400. So on my way out, I'm just going to take you around and have a look at the last few Christmas trees just down here. But there are staff working on the other side, so I don't want to disturb them. So we'll see if we can get through. So this pretty Christmas tree is 7'5" LED festive pine, and this is $100, and it goes from sort of I don't know, it was sort of a peachy colour, pinky colour lighting, and through to lots of bright colour lights. I think on camera it's coming up as warm white. This is another lovely flop tree here. I think my eye is drawn to the flop trees, and this is a 6'5" pine flopped festive tree, and that's $80, and you get next day delivery free. And this is $150, a creek spruce, and that's a 7'5" LED colour changing fitted lights. This is $200 for a festive pine, and this is 7.5 foot. And this is a forest pine. So let me know in the comments below if you're in the market this year to buy a new Christmas tree, or if you just like to watch these types of videos where we go round and we show you everything that the stores have to offer. And my goodness me, the stores are really going for it this year. I can't believe all the Christmassy things that are out and about at the moment, but I have to say I love it, and I really do love Christmas time, and it's just so magical. I mean, look at that tree, it is so magical, with Mickey in the front there singing away to you on Christmas Day. What more could you want? Thank you very much for joining me then today, friends, and be sure to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the shopping adventures. I really would love it if you joined me and the Time to Shop family. Also comment below, I would like to hear your opinion of what there is in the stores at the moment. And as I'm in the States, they really do have a super amount of quality products. So take care, and I'll see you very soon. I'll just go and find out how much this is. Bye for now. Lots of love, Tracy. Mwah.